Hey everyone, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be making some chicken shish kebabs, also known as skewers or chicken on the stick. This is a very simple and easy recipe, and it is also budget friendly. So let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. I have some chicken tenderloin, but you can also use chicken breast, some peppers and onion, a green bell pepper, some ground paprika, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some basil leaf, some soy sauce, some ground ginger, some honey barbecue sauce, some seasoning salt. I'm starting out by placing the tenderloins into a bowl. Next, I'm adding some vinegar to the bowl, then I'm going to rinse it with some cool running water. I'm cutting each tenderloins into small pieces. Now the chicken tenderloins are ready to be seasoned and marinated. I'm covering the pieces of chicken with the dry seasonings. I'm using a flat spatula to mix the seasoning throughout the chicken. This is optional, but I'm sprinkling some powdered ginger. And I'm also mixing in some soy sauce. Don't freak out, it's a low sodium soy sauce. Make sure to light your grill so that it can be ready by the time you're done. Next, I'm prepping my vegetables by cutting them into small pieces. So my chicken was marinating for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to place a piece of chicken on the stick, followed by a piece of vegetable. And I'm going to repeat the same step until I've used all the pieces of chicken. Next, I'm going to let it cook on the grill until the chicken is golden brown. And once they are golden brown, I'm going to glaze them with some honey barbecue sauce. These can also be cooked in the oven on the broil setting at 400 degrees. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see the oven version. So this was my easy and simple shish kebab recipe. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.